How to sign up for a new account on Tellonym. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily sign up for a new account on Tellonym. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is install the Tellonym app from your Play Store and make sure that you have it installed on your device. So here you have two options. You could either sign up with your Google account or your email. So here I'm going to show you guys I'm going to sign up using my email. So just tap on sign up with email. And if you already have an account, you can just tap on the sign in option to easily sign into your account. Now click on accept. Here provide your first name, then tap on next and enter your email address. Now tap on next. Here you'll just have to create a password. And once you have entered your password, just tap on next again. And here you'll just have to verify that you're not a robot. Now just provide your phone number, or you could just skip this for now. I'm just going to skip it. Choose your language and then tap on next again. And here is your invite link. So I'm not going to do this right now. I'm just going to skip everything. And finally, you should be able to log into your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.